so already.
All right, well, we had better get back to work, y'all.
All right, let's see here. Miss Suter? Miss Suter!
Yes, that's me.
And now you're waiting on your pet turtle?
Yes, Captain Whatnot.
Oh, well, your turtle's so dang funny.
Yeah, earlier he ate a piece of lettuce for like 2 hours.
Oh, he's the best.
Oh, that was funny. Well, I'm going to need you to fill out some forms because your turtle is dead.
Oh my God, my turtle is dead.
I am so sorry he died in the night, and the doctor did everything he could. We shot some pumps and stuff. He was on a machine for a while, but then we had to turn that machine off.
Why did you turn it off?
Because they needed it for another turtle that was in worse shape than him.
But my turtle died.
Yes, I do know, and I'm so sorry. But if it makes you feel any better, the other turtle did die as well. Yes, we are beginning to think we may have something wrong with our turtle machine.
Anyway, we just need you to sign those papers.
Okay, what are these papers for?
Basically just says that your turtle is dead and that you know that.
Can I see my turtle?
Oh, well, dang, I wish you would have said something earlier because they already threw it away.
What?
Yeah, well, I guess you could go out in the parking lot, scrounge around, see what you come up with. We are so sorry for their loss. Poor thing. Okay, now, who is waiting on the bunny rabbit?
Me. I am. Oh, so are you Mrs. Denver? Yes, I am.
And your bunny rabbit's Tiffany Denvers?
Yes, I am. Oh, well, Tiffany's such a cute name. Good for you.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you. I thought it out.
She has such cute floppy ears.
No, I almost named her Floppy.
Oh, that is cute. Well, as of 10 a.m. this morning, she has been dead.
What? It's 4. I've been sitting here for 6 hours. We only came to have her teeth cleaned. Oh, I know. She had a reaction to the cleaning paste.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, she went very peacefully after she screamed for about an hour.
Oh, my Tiffany. Oh, I know. It's very sad.
Yes, she just kept having more and more reactions to things.
And they were all just negative in nature.
So we're just going to need you to fill out some forms.
What is this? So that is basically just some forms that say that your bunny rabbit is dead and that you know that.
So where it says head status, I'm going to need you to write the word dead.
Yes, and right next to that dead, where it says, do I know this, you're going to want to fill in the bubble under the yes. Where is she now?
She is either on top of or below a dead turtle.
Oh, where's it been? Well, thank you.
Okay, now who is waiting on the big horse?
I am.
Well, now there's two. There's a great big black one and one's a smaller chestnut one.
Yes, and the smaller one is dead.
Scott is dead? Oh God!
Well, she didn't sign our form.
Yeah, I think you can do it online anyway.
So my big black horse is okay?
Oh, well, wait a minute. Let me check out the form. Okay, so it says he is responding to the medicine and doing well, so...
That is good, but there is that big orange sticker that says dead. Well, which one do we go by?
Okay, so the sticker always overrides the note. So, he is dead.
Yes, he is dead. But if it makes you feel any better, he had a real peaceful look on his face right before he exploded.